Dr. Botanicals natural skincare apothecary range is packed with superfoods that are said to deliver amazing results for your skin. So the entire range is exactly what you would expect from a skincare range. Basically anything from moisturizers to eye serums to face masks and face and body butters, just to name a few. You know already if you've been watching my channel, I get so excited about skincare. Their branding is so cute, it's colorful, it's got a playful vibe to it, but most importantly, it reflects the fruit that is actually within that particular skincare product, which I think is just super fun. The first product we're going to be reviewing is their grapefruit and watermelon cleanser. Dr. Botanicals always have like a little list of their ingredients, which isn't unusual for skincare products, but I love the fact that they list whatever ingredient is within the product and they tell you what that ingredient is good for. So on this box it says it's got grapefruit essential oil, which is high levels of vitamin C and aids in reducing the appearance of skin imperfections and oily skin, which for me sounds like a dream. It also has the watermelon seed oil, which provides hydration and is rich in essential fatty acids, is non-greasy, and not so much of my fave, but it does say it has glycerin in it, which is a great humectant, which provides moisturizing qualities to the skin. This is what the container looks like. Super cute, nice and bright. It smells very citrusy. The scent isn't super overpowering or anything like that. It does smell fresh. I can't point out the grapefruit from the watermelon, but there's definitely a citrus scent to it, which I love. So first of all, I'm gonna do what I would normally do. I wanna take you through the whole process. So I'm gonna wet my face and then we're gonna squeeze some of the product out and then we're gonna talk about the consistency and what the feeling is giving. I don't know about you, but I love skincare products that give me a really nice lava. I just love it. So it's got like a gel-like consistency. It's a gel-like consistency. So I'm actually quite surprised because the product came out gel-like. It didn't seem as though it was gonna foam. I actually, to be honest with you, I didn't even expect it to foam as much as it's foaming now. Honestly guys, I want to wash my face the way I would normally wash my face if I wasn't filming, so I am going to go over my eyes because I feel like you're not washing your face if you don't wash your eyes. I'm going to come in a little bit for you so you can see. It's not super foamy, but it is enough for me, which is a good thing. Sometimes with citrusy products you can feel maybe a little bit of stinging. Honestly, if I don't feel a little tingle, I don't feel like it's working. So I'm not getting a tingle, but actually it feels really nice. It feels really nice. It's not like a regular soapy product. Whenever I'm using like a cleansing product, I need it to be foamy. I need it to have some sort of a foam or like to look a little bit like this in order for me to feel like it's doing something. So this is great. I'm also gonna go in with my cleansing brush because are you really cleansing without a cleansing brush? When I was rinsing my skin, it low-key felt like the gel was still on my face. My skin feels just really clean and cleansed. This is exactly what I like my skin to feel like when I'm finished washing. I'm not gonna lie, the glycerin in this product had me a little bit concerned because I know that where there's glycerin, it might be a little bit of problem to wash like a product off. There might be a little bit of a residue. My skin feels super soft. It feels very refreshed, guys. And you know me, I'm super hard to please when it comes to like cleansing products and my skin. I need foam, I need the refreshing feeling, and I need to feel that deep down clean. So I actually really like the grapefruit and watermelon refreshing cleanser. I feel like it does exactly what it says it does on the tin, which is what we love, honey. And yeah, the kids' skin's getting dry, so let's move on to the moisturizer. So next up, we've got the Kale Superfood Nourishing Moisturizer. It is for normal to dry skin. It does say on the side to apply in the morning after cleansing and applying your serum. It has kale extract, which is again a humectant. It conditions the skin and aids in skin hydration, which is what we need right now because the kids are looking grey. It also has shea butter, which is rich in fatty acids and vitamins and provides moisturizing properties. I love a bit of shea. And then again, it's got glycerin. I'm hoping with the presence of shea butter in this, I'm actually gonna really feel like my skin is moisturized. This is the container. This is so cute. It's obviously green, just to reflect the fact that it's got kale in it. I'm in love with their packaging, guys. And it's just so simple, but I love that it's just vibrant and it reflects what's inside of it. You can almost taste all of these. By the way, guys, when I opened the actual gift box, I could smell the products inside. Okay, so anyway, moving on. It smells kind of green, just like kale. There definitely is a scent there, and I really like that scent. You know the smell of like cucumber? I feel like I can smell cucumber a little bit. Like that scent of cucumber, that's what this smells like. This is what we are working with in terms of the consistency. I'll turn it to the side, hopefully you guys can see. We are gonna scoop some out and do what I would normally do. I go in with the moisturizer, okay? Because I've got oily skin, I still, you know, moisturize my skin really, really well. Oh, it is as rich as I thought it would be, which is good. Love it. Okay, so straight away, guys, this has got a very thick. This is very thick. Honestly, guys, I feel like this moisturizer is not the type of moisturizer that leaves your skin looking as though it's being moisturized. It has a very matte appearance, which is great for people who, I guess, don't like to look like have a shine. I personally feel like my skin looks its most vibrant and its most healthiest when there is some kind of shine within the product. So for me, I'm not really loving that. I don't know if it's even picking it up on the camera because right now my skin's looking bright, but that might be just because of the ring light. Just remember that the ring light is on. But yeah, if I sort of like, from what I can see, my skin actually looks very mattified. It actually looks dry for me, in my opinion. But it doesn't feel dry. It feels super supple. My skin actually feels moisturized. I am getting the sweat beads on my nose, which is what glycerin normally, you know, does to my skin, which is why I kind of don't like glycerin. It kind of feels like it's locking in the heat and I'm kind of sweating a little bit. I did notice that the moisturizer doesn't have any kind of SPF or any kind of sun protectant in it, so this isn't something that I would personally use in the day, but I think I would definitely use it at night. I personally would probably team it up with another one of my facial oils just to give it a little bit of, you know, shine and a little bit of a oomph. I think just for my particular, I can't even say my particular skin type, because I feel like everybody likes their skin to feel how they like their skin to feel. And yeah, I prefer just for my skin to look moisturized and not just feel moisturized. I I can tell I'm gonna need to moisturize again in like maybe an hour or so because it feels that way. But generally my skin feels calm. I'm loving how it feels, even though it's very rich. It's got a very rich texture and it's uber creamy. It does absorb very, very quickly. So if you're somebody that loves that kind of a product and just really wants something light, and you're not like me where you feel like you want to shine, that this would be perfect for you. I actually love it. I love the scent. The scent inside, they do let you know, is from an essential oil. This is a wheat-free and gluten-free product. And yeah, I like it, just not for the day, guys, if I'm completely honest. I'm always going to come on here with 100 when it comes to the reviews. So it depends what you like your skincare products to deliver for you. Me personally, I like the feel of it. I just don't like how my skin looks. And you're going to be seeing something different because I've got like a whole ring light going on. But when I'm looking in my mirror, I'm seeing that my skin actually looks kind of like matte and dull, which I don't like. My skin comes alive with a little bit of oil, honey, okay? I will put the price of both of these products on the screen. This is going to be it for this review. So this is the first of the Dr. Botanicals review, and we have just been reviewing the grapefruit and watermelon cleanser, refreshing cleanser, and the kale and superfood nourishing day moisturizer. Stay tuned for the next couple of products from Dr. Botanicals. Thank you, Dr. Botanicals, for providing the products for this video. Guys, if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe for the ride, turn on your post notifications so that you'll know when your girl drops another video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.